It was a dreary, rainy day, and I was stuck inside. Luckily,
Get out of here, milk.
I remembered that some fool had left one of the best beers in the world in my fridge at a Super Bowl party. Nice. This is Pliny the Elder from Russian River Brewing, a double IPA named after some dead Roman guy that's won pretty much every single award you can win in brewing. Now, I've mentioned before that I'm not the biggest fan of IPAs, so it might be surprising to hear me praise this so much since it is sort of the quintessential IPA. Where other IPAs can be a lot harsher in their hoppiness, Pliny the Elder is smooth and deep, baby. Be warned, however, while this beer is delicious, it does pack a punch at 8% ABV. Oy. Still, that's nothing compared to its rarer equivalent Pliny the Younger at 11%. Great beer. 10 Roman denaries.